What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you 3 free mint NFT projects that I'm keeping my eye on, and I think especially one of them has a good potential to do well. But before we're going to look at the project, I want to state something. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research before investing money into NFT projects or cryptocurrency projects. Also, let's take a look at Dune Analytics. We haven't been looking at in a while. So if we look at the Dune Analytics, as we can see, November, December was going sideways, and it was not a whole lot of volume. I mean, there was still trading volume going on OpenSea, but the volume was kind of going sideways until we actually got closer to the end of December. I think volume started going up slightly, and then January 7 we have one high candle. It's due to Memeland. So Memeland was minting that day, volume was 20 million, and then it kind of went down, but as you can see it's slightly higher than entire November and December. So it's a good thing. Looks like more people's getting into NFTs, or just more trades happening, at least temporary at the moment. Not sure how long it's gonna last, especially with the recent pump, but we're just gonna have to wait and see. And now let's take a look at the projects. So the first project is called Animeme Labs, and this project already has 2 previous collections, and first collection did very well, second collection didn't mint out, and I guess what they did from the second collection, they making a Wave 2, and it's a free mint. I'm not entirely sure if it's like another third collection or this is just a continue of a second collection, but at least this time they decided to make a free mint, and I think with the free mint I think it's gonna do actually very well. So if we take a look at their first Genesis collection, as you can see it's still holding up at 0.13 Ethereum, and I think it was at some period of time. If we'll take a look at the activity really quick, and let's take a look at the volume. As you can see at the beginning, it was going for almost half Ethereum, or 0.42%. So it was doing very well, especially at the beginning. And then the second collection, the Scientist, this one still has a little floor price, almost 3% of Ethereum, and they only minted 666. So I'm not entirely sure if the Wave 2, if it's going to be just the second phase of this collection, but we're just gonna have to wait and see. So if we go back here, as you can see, they're getting decent engagement on their Twitter post, and also I think this is the company that has huge fan base on their YouTube channel. And then the second project, it's called Birudazu, and it's a free mint. As you can see, they're gonna have 1003 Genesis PFP collection, so most likely they're gonna be working on another collection later on as well, but this is me just guessing. They have a Discord, and at the time of recording they only have 5,000 followers, so this is early project. I'm not sure when they're going to be minting. They're getting decent interaction on their Twitter post. Like for example, this was posted like 10 days ago, but they have 2,700 likes and 2,600 retweets, so it's actually pretty good engagement on their Twitter post. So I'm not entirely sure if this is just a Digium project or they actually building something. But if you'll get on their Discord, you can read about it and see maybe this is just some kind of NFT projects that's gonna have some utilities as well. And then the third project, the last project, it's called KazukoNFT, free mint. Not entirely sure how big this collection is going to be, but as you can see, looks like this is going to be Genesis collection with a powerful pass for full access to Kazuko world. So not entirely sure what they're going to be actually building, if this is going to be like maybe some kind of game or some kind of project that's going to be providing different kind of utilities. Not really sure, but I'm keeping my eye on. And as you can see, they collabing with the different NFT alpha groups, and they're doing Twitter giveaways. So if you engaged with their posts, like, retweet, and then comment, maybe you can get yourself a whitelist spot like that, unless you're in some alpha groups that's going to be offering whitelist spots for this project. And this is pretty much it. All the projects that I talk about, I'm gonna leave a link in the description below, and if this video is helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.